Hey there, Explorer! It's me, Alex the Explorer. Are you ready for an adventure? Today we're going on a super duper fun trip. And guess what? We're going to the jungle. We'll be learning all about animals. We're gonna learn about animals from A to Z. That means we're going to see an animal for every single letter of the alphabet. That's right, from A to Z. Isn't that exciting? I love animals, don't you? They're so cool and interesting. We'll learn all about what makes them special, and we'll even learn how to make their sounds. Wow! Can you make an animal sound? I bet you can. All right, explorers, let's get started with our alphabet animal adventure. Are you ready? Let's go. A is for alligator. Alligators are so cool. They can live for a really, really long time, like almost as long as your grandma and grandpa. B is for bee. Bees are amazing. They're like tiny superheroes that help our flowers grow, and they make yummy honey. C is for cat. Cats are so cuddly and love to play. Have you ever met a cat? D is for dog. Woof woof. Dogs are our furry best friends and love to play fetch. E is for elephant. Elephants have really long trunks and big floppy ears. F is for frog. Frogs are really good at jumping and love to hang out near ponds. G is for giraffe. Giraffes are super tall and can reach the highest leaves on trees. H is for hammerhead shark. Hammerhead sharks have a funny-shaped head. It looks like a hammer. I is for iguana. Iguanas can change colors to blend in with their surroundings. That's like magic. J is for jaguar. Jaguars are amazing swimmers and love to play in the water. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroos have strong legs and can jump really far. L is for lion. Lions are known for their big roars and beautiful manes. M is for monkey. Monkeys love to swing from branches and eat bananas. N is for narwhal. Narwhals live in the ocean and have a long, pointy tusk. O is for owl. Owls are nocturnal, which means they like to come out at night. P is for penguin. Penguins are really good at swimming and waddle when they walk. Q is for quail. Quails are small birds with cute little bodies. R is for rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and love to hop around. S is for snake. Snakes are very sneaky and slither on the ground. T is for tiger. Tigers have stripes and are excellent hunters. U is for unicorn. Unicorns are magical creatures with a horn on their head. V is for vulture. Vultures can fly really high in the sky and have amazing eyesight. W is for whale. Whales are the biggest animals in the ocean. They're even bigger than a school bus. X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish are so cool. You can see their bones right through their skin. E is for yak. Yaks have long, shaggy hair to keep them warm in cold places. Z is for zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes all over their body. Wow, we learned about so many incredible animals today. From alligators to zebras. Wasn't it amazing? My favorite part was learning about all their cool sounds and seeing how they live. What was your favorite animal today? Don't forget to let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you had fun learning about animals with me today, give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more exciting adventures. Thanks for exploring with me today, adventurers. Remember, there's always something new to discover. Bye-bye.